Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to check or find out TXT record for domain in Beehiiv. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open. On left side you see multiple option and then you see publication, so click on it. And then in publication you see multiple option on top and then you see domain, so click on it. So this is our domain. So we are going to find out TXT record for domain and you can add that TXT record in your domain DNS. Then you see 3 dot, so click on it and then you see verify, so again click on it. Then you see verify domain section, custom domain, create a DNS record and then you see type, name, value. So you can add this record TXT record in your domain DNS and after adding then click on verify, so your domain will be verified. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.